how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. If you're experiencing lag or Wi-Fi errors while playing Brawl Stars, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to fix these issues and get back to smooth gaming in no time. First things first, check your internet connection. Lag and Wi-Fi errors often happen when your connection is unstable. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a solid mobile data connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router to improve the signal. Next, close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Apps using up your phone's resources can cause lag in Brawl Stars. To do this, simply swipe up or go to the Recent app menu and swipe away any unused app. Sometimes a simple restart can solve a lot of problems. Try restarting your phone and your Wi-Fi router. This can help clear out any temporary issues with the connection and improve your gaming experiences. Another trick to reduce lag is by adjusting the in-game settings. Lowering graphics and visual effects can improve your performance. If you're playing on an Android phone and have the right adapter, you should try using a wired connection to your router. And lastly, what you need to do is update the Brawl Stars. Sometimes lag and connectivity issues are connected by bugs that get fixed in newer versions of game. And that's how you fix lag and Wi-Fi errors in Brawl Stars.